What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by Autobahn. My name is Max, and today we are checking out this amazing BMW M5 CS by G-Power. We've got an EC remap, we've got turbos, downpipes and an exhaust, and the total is 820 horsepower and 1000 Newton meters of torque, so that is pretty insane. Now let's take a look at those wheels. These 20-inch lightweight wheels in gold bronze, super nice, with around that Pirelli P0 rubber, and ceramic brakes with the red calipers. Now they used to come with gold, but on the CS you can choose between red or gold, and I quite like the red because it contrasts nicely with the golden wheels. We've got the gold bronze accent on the side here as well, carbon mirrors, carbon roof, of course, and then at the rear a more aggressive spoiler in carbon fiber, nice G-Power badge there and an M5 CS badge, and the exhaust, very nice carbon diffuser as well for the CS. That is a nice rear end. It looks so aggressive, the CS. So much, I don't know, the changes are not that big, but it just looks like they shaved a lot of weight off the car. You know, before knowing that they in fact did that, you can look at the car and it already looks lighter. That's kind of what it feels like. G-Power badge. Oh, these M5s always, the radiators keep blowing for so long. Anyway, carbon engine cover there, an M5 CS badge right there, all carbon, super beautiful. This is Brands Hatch Grey, by the way, and there were two other color options available. You can have frozen Brands Hatch, so that is a matte grey, the same color, and you can have a frozen dark green, which is also very nice. Okay, interior wise, we've got the bucket seats from the M3, carbon fiber backed buckets, very nice. And then we've got two more bucket seats in the rear, which is very cool. CS logo on the center there as well, and a lot of Alcantara, like the beautiful steering wheel and a carbon inlay here with a CS logo. Yeah, the interior is very nice as well. Now, Mr. McHorstface is not here, so we can do a little wrap. So we can close the valves. Close the valves. This is closed. Very civilized. Valves open. Super nice dark sound. Now, G-Power, 820 horsepower, 1000 Newton meters of torque. I've got the car in DSC off, two-wheel drive mode, which is, you can check it out here, M1. So you can see I put everything in Sport Plus, and then the steering in Comfort because it's lighter. I like that better for hooning. DSC off and two-wheel drive, and my M2 is four-wheel drive Sport. Let's go for M1 because I want to show you what this thing can do. It is completely bonkers.
Birleşikler şu an yani. Zaten rengi ikisinin karışımı bir şey oldu baksana.
So, second gear. It does not need a lot of throttle input for sliding. Horses, I'm not going to go full throttle, but this car is so happy to spin its rear wheels, and it is so easy to do, both in the sense that it's really easy to spin the wheels, but it's also really easy to control it because the M5 CS is just such a freaking gem of a car, and the chassis is just amazing.
Buradan direkt ana yola bağlanacağız.
Dümdüz gidince ana yol mu?
Yok, sola döneceğiz, sola.
Buradan desene.
Entschuldigung.
Gidince tamir ederiz, devam et.
Tamam.
Gidelim, başlamadan önce tamir edip böyle başlarız. Bakalım kaçı göreceğiz. Merak ediyorum bu arabayı. Evet, hadi ben başlıyorum ya. Hadi basalım. Lan bir 300 görür mü ya? 300 görür lazım bunun ya. 230.
You wouldn't think, as I said, you wouldn't think the difference is that big between a regular car and an M5 CS, but it is. And then to have this amount of power, it really feels like you need an M5 CS to control this properly.
285.
It's just, if I move my big toe,
300 be. 300'ü gördü oğlum.
The rear
Böyle bir şey
spin.
olamaz. Hadi.
fourth gear, 100 kilometers an hour,
Oha!
rear wheels go. It is absolutely insane.
Bak ne güzel gidiyor.
There they go. Every time you hit the throttle, those rears spin. It is incredible. Now,
Sen nasıl o kadar hızlı geldin benim
of
arkamdan?
course, that is a lot of fun,
Rüzgarımı almış olabilirsin.
but if you want to be fast, you need four-wheel drive sport. So let's do a little pull away.
İçine girmiş tekerlek ya. Ben oğlum o 300 onu falan görür bence. Ben yardırdım tekrar.
That is very, very quick.
Allah.
Now,
Bakalım
stock
kaç
it does
göreceğiz.
3 seconds, but that is with launch control, of course. With this amount of power, I'm not going to do launch control. 1000 Newton meters on that gearbox is not going to end well.
260.
It's going to end with me in tears, probably. So,
270.
oh, but it is so quick.
285. Hadi 290.
Exhaust sounds really good as well.
Hadi 300, hadi 300.
I really like the sound. It
Lan
sounds.
oğlum ya.
You can hear the turbo. You can still hear a V8. You have a little
Sen
bang on the
neredesin?
upshift. Definitely an improvement. Well, it's not that
Ben
hard to
tekrardan hemen
improve upon the sound, but
Ondan sonra bir yerleri kullanmaya çalışacağım. Çok güzel kasa ya. İnanılmaz güzel kasa. Kasa gibi kasa ya.
woo. yeah, it likes to go sideways. This car.
Dur.
So let's put that in drive in the
280,
most aggressive setting
290
and brake for a gap.
ve 300. Vallahi önüme böyle aha buradan atlıyorum. Allah
Not that you
be.
need that much space in this car, but now finally we've got a little bit of space. Oh man,
Arabayı ne hale getirdim. İçim acıdı. Şu hale bak ya. Güzel araba ne hale geldi.
it gets up there so
Aynen, hızlanıyor.
quickly.
Hızlanmıyor.
Unfortunately, it is Friday today, and that usually means a lot of traffic, and also traffic that
Bayağı hızlı.
normally you wouldn't find here.
Ayrı yetenek diyorlar.
A lot of
Bir ara
caravans and
yemekler-
campers and stuff like that, so have to be extra careful, but just the way it runs up to like
Hızlı ayarlayabiliyoruz.
250 is
Daha hızlısını yapabiliyoruz.
incredible.
Yapayım ben.
Nasıl bunu 500'ü
So,
gösterebilir misin?
Just put your foot down,
Görsün 500'ü. Hadi yapalım.
and the
Evet
thing
arkadaşlar,
just
şimdi geri
takes
geldik,
off.
arabalar değişti.
The gearbox
O
has
top speed
definitely
şeyleri
also been
birlikte
changed
kaldırdık
because the
resmen.
shifts are
Şimdi o
very
nereye
quick
gidecek?
and
Burada
a little bit
biraz-
harder than they usually are.
Oğlum çok güzel.
Tire
Allah
pressure
tren yolu
management,
başlayacak.
but tire pressures are all okay, so
İnanılmaz merak ediyorum, acaba kaç göreceğiz?
now home stretch.
230 şu an.
If we are lucky, we have some space here.
Ümit kalkmıyor şuradan.
We do.
Evet, hızlı kalkmıyor. Böyle gözü görüyor.
So there's Martijn
Görüyorum bak.
on the right here in the BMW.
Hadi ben şöyle Cam.
And that is 360.